Hello everyone. Namaste. Good evening. This is regarding one of the important beneficial sessions for the candidates aspiring for diploma and engineering courses, in particular core specializations like triple E, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, etc. That means excluding software branches. This is AICTE Yashasvi Young Achievers Scholarship Scheme. This scheme is being introduced by AICTE from this particular academic year onwards. To be honest, in recent times, AICTE is introducing lots of schemes to promote the encourage the merit students towards throughout the India towards different engineering and diploma courses, because India is in need of still lots of best skilled and knowledge technocrats. The purpose of this particular scheme, AICT Yashasvi, exclusive for these core branches, is that India is in need of. That means in future we have lots of requirement in manufacturing production units, and of course India does require lots of technical support. With this particular aim, AICTE is encouraging the merit stream from the diploma and BTech students aspiring from 2024 onwards towards this particular scheme. This scheme, throughout the India, there are 5,000 scholarships, 2,500 for BTech students, 2,500 for diploma students. It is purely merit based, and of course reservation policies as far as the different states are concerned will also be considered for this. Thing is, the students who qualified 10th class, 10th standard and coming for diploma, and students passed out this plus 2 coming for BTech are eligible for this particular course. And another important thing is, some students must have passed earlier, but because of some particular reasons they must not have taken this course immediately, the diploma or degree. Those candidates are also eligible for this. But thing is, the gap between the examination, passed out examination, and this particular course like degree or diploma should not exceed more than 2 years. They are also eligible for this. So the amount of scholarship is 18,000 rupees for BTech students, 12,000 rupees for diploma students for 4 years for BTech and 3 years for diploma. It is a renewal base. On renewal base, all the 4 years BTech students will be getting, all the 3 years diploma students will be getting. Thing is, students who got admission into diploma and BTech, they should apply through National Scholarships Portal. Once they apply, this application or their application will be scrutinized by the corresponding institutions. That is the first stage. And then the corresponding state technical education board will scrutinize this and it will be passed to the central government like AICTE. Then, based on the total merit level throughout the country, all these 5,000 scholarships like 2,500 for diploma and 2,500 for degree will be given. This is very important scheme, and in recent times actually there is a kind of misnomer outside that many of the students are aspiring only for this kind of software and all. But all the branches, all the specializations are having lots of opportunity based on the skill knowledge we are attaining throughout our course, that decides our future. So all students should recognize this. So these kind of schemes will obviously motivate the students who are really meritorious and who are really interested to take the courses. So this is the very important scheme being introduced by AICTE, and this particular scheme is being introduced from 2024 onwards. So all the students definitely who are taking these branches, core branches in either diploma or degree, soon after they join, they can check this particular national scholarship portal and they can log in and they can just apply for this, and you can check your chances. It is absolutely meritorious. Thing is, I already told you, and it is valid on renewal base for BTech and of course for degree. So based on the performance, annual performance, it will get renewed. And another thing is that one should know that in some states there is a possibility, still there is an opportunity that the students may have sliding from one branch to another branch from second year onwards based on their choice. It is there in some states, not in all the states. But for such kind of candidates, it is not valid. Whatever the course, whatever the specialization we have opted, that should remain for all the 4 years in BTech, all the 3 years for diploma. This is another important concept. So it is really very motivational step, initiative taken by AICTE with the keen interest that why the people of India does require a lot of core branched technological personalities in future ahead. So I hope the students who are just in dilemma to take whether core branches are also can also opt these branches, can utilize this opportunity for their beneficial aspects. So do remember, check the portal. The portal will be opened very soon. Once you take an admission, you please go through that, just log in, just introduce, fill the application, and let us check the opportunity whether you get or not. It's really a wonderful opportunity, and I am wishing all the students who are opting these core branches to get this scholarship, and keep watch this particular channel for still more important sensitizational and of course beneficial academic and society related information. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.